How to spend 5 days in Kauai, Hawaii. Looking for travel ideas? Kauai, the Garden Isle of Hawaii, has got to be one of the most breathtaking places on Earth. With its lush landscapes and wild natural beauty, Kauai is the ultimate destination for beachgoers, hikers, and adventurers alike. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications, and stick around until the end of this video because we have a bonus for you. Day 1. The Kalalau Trail. If you're planning to visit Kauai, you don't want to miss hiking the Kalalau Trail. It's my #1 recommendation for things to do in Kauai. The trail spans along the breathtaking Na Pali Coast for 11 miles, but don't worry, you don't have to hike the whole trail to get the ultimate payoff. In fact, just 30 minutes of hiking will take your breath away. But be prepared, the first hour of the hike is a serious uphill climb. Due to its unparalleled natural beauty, this hike has become quite popular. As a result, a permit system is now in place. To hike the trail past Hanalei Beach, you need to make a reservation for a permit or day use several months ahead of your trip. But don't let that dissuade you. The permit is not required if you don't plan to camp overnight at the end of the trail. Get your backpack ready and experience the magic of the Kalalau Trail. During your visit in spring or summer, make sure to keep your morning swim at Kalalau Beach before or after you check out the Kalalau Trail. Keep in mind that Kauai's North Shore can be rough and rainy during winter, often hosting big wave surfing contests. As such, if you're traveling during the winter season, it would be the best to spend most of your time on the South Shore with just a day trip to the North Shore. I enjoy visiting the North Shore during the shoulder season, which falls in early September or April. This is before the rainy season begins, and there are fewer tourist and cheaper flight options. Swimming and snorkeling conditions are also ideal during these times, except during winter. Day 2. Take a Na Pali Coast boat tour. The Na Pali Coast State Wilderness Park is a popular landmark in Hawaii and is often referred to as the 8 wonders of the world. Its lush green cliffs and valleys stretch over 15 miles along Kauai's North Shore, with many hidden beaches to explore. To fully appreciate the beauty of this area, including the waterfalls, it's recommended to explore it by boat. Don't forget to book a snorkeling cruise to fully enjoy the amazing view while you're here. For a more personalized experience, the best option is to choose small catamarans. During your snorkeling adventure, you'll have the chance to see spinner dolphins, Hawaiian green sea turtles, and if you're lucky, even whales. You'll get to swim among the colorful fish in the clear turquoise water and maybe explore the incredible sea caves. Breakfast and buffet lunch will be served on board to keep you fueled. Day 3. Visit Hanalei Bay and North Shore beaches. To make the most of Kauai's North Shore, today is the perfect day for discovering its hidden beaches and breathtaking views. I suggest adding extra days to your itinerary if you want to fully enjoy the many incredible beaches here. Just keep in mind that the North Shore is more rugged than the South Shore, which means that accessing some of the beaches may require a bit of a climb down a cliff. With one day, choose from among these options. Tunnels Beach, Makuna. If you're staying near Princeville, Tunnels Beach, Makuna won't be the closest beach, but it's definitely one of the best of snorkeling. It's located just east of the Key Beach on the North Shore. Many people love this beach for activities such as diving, swimming, and kite surfing. The beach boasts golden sand, a shallow reef brimming with tropical fish, and numerous sea turtles. Starting from August 2022, the state of Hawaii has imposed some restrictions on snorkeling. Snorkeling in the large inner reef, Makua Lagoon, which is the home to large coral formations and fish nursery, has been prohibited to ensure their protection. Nevertheless, you can still watch fish near the beach. Secret Beach. This might be my favorite beach in Kauai. The beach we visited was deserted and has soft sand, but getting there requires descending a steep and muddy trail. There are experienced surfers and bodyboard surfers at this location. Hanalei Bay. The largest bay on Kauai's north shore is Hanalei Bay. It is famously mentioned in the song Puff the Magic Dragon in the land of Hanalei. The bay features a broad crescent-shaped beach and lovely wooden pier that is ideal for taking sunset photos. The little town of Hanalei is located near this beach, providing a great spot for lunch or a meal. While you're traveling to this place, make sure to visit the Hanalei Valley Lookout. This spot offers a breathtaking panoramic views that are as beautiful as a postcard. It's one of the most photographed spots on the island. Kilauea Lighthouse. The Kilauea Lighthouse is situated on the Kilauea Point Wildlife Refuge, offering a breathtaking view of the deep blue ocean, and is a great location for taking photos. Additionally, it serves as an excellent hub for bird watching, where you can spot various Hawaiian seabirds such as the red-footed boobies and albatross. Limahuli Garden and Preserve. Limahuli Garden and Preserve. Are there any gardening enthusiasts in your group? Consider visiting the Limahuli Garden and Preserve near Tunnels Beach, which is one of the 5 gardens in the National Tropical Botanical Garden. Entrance tickets are priced at $30. The value where the garden is located is one of the most biodiverse in Hawaii, and it's truly stunning. Personally, I enjoyed exploring the canoe gardens, which displays the plants brought by native Hawaiians from French Polynesia when they settled in the islands. Day 4. See the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. To reach Waimea Canyon, drive past Poipu and head in a clockwise direction towards the top of the island. Although the road does not go all the way through, it is still possible to get there from the North Shore. The drive takes approximately 2 hours without stops. Once you arrive, continue on Highway 550 to the Kalipa Ridge Trailhead and Kolki State Park. Even if you're not a hiker, you can still enjoy the stunning view of the Na Pali Coast from the parking lot. It's definitely worth the drive. Make sure to visit the Waimea Canyon, also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, before returning to Poipu. Although not as ancient or massive as Arizona's Grand Canyon, the Hawaiian treasure is still incredibly breathtaking. The presence of waterfalls and lush greenery only add to its awe-inspiring beauty. Here are some great lookout points to visit when you're in the area. Number 1. Waimea Canyon Lookout Mile Marker 10 provides a panoramic views of the canyon. You don't need to hike to enjoy this lookout. 2. Pu'uhinahina Lookout Mile Marker 13 is the perfect spot to see the river winding into the sea at the bottom. 3. Kalalau Lookout Mile Marker 18 is also worth a visit, but you can only reach it by hiking from Kii Beach. 4. Pu'ukila Mile Marker 19 is another lookout you can visit. You'll need to get out of your car and hike to the lookout. Day 5. Waterfalls, Wailua Falls and Opaeka'a Falls. Wailua Falls is just a 30-minute drive away from Poipu, located just south of Wailua, which is north of Lihu Airport. It's a great morning stop to make, although there isn't much nearby. The falls are absolutely stunning. We even saw some wild boars nearby, which was a fun bonus. These falls were featured in the TV show Fantasy Island and drop 80 feet. If you visit in the morning, you might even see rainbows. If you're coming from the south, getting to Opaeka'a Falls nearby requires a circuitous 20-minute drive. The fall drop at a steeper gradient of 151 feet compared to Wailua Falls and fall into a hidden pool. It's considered one of the waterfalls in Kauai that's easier to get to and has parking and restrooms available. When it rains, the water flowing from the falls may appear red due to the orange soil. Bonus tips: if you're planning to visit Kauai, it's best to go during shoulder season, which is from September to November, and April to June because of the good weather and better airline deals with fewer crowds. Keep in mind that winter and fall season bring wind and heavy rain to the North Shore, so consider going to the Poipu area for more reliable sunshine. During our previous visit in early September, we experienced mostly sunny days with a few rainy days. Which of these activities would you like to do while vacationing in Kauai? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what your plans are. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.